Hey guys, so today I want to talk about a brand that I really saw stand out in Boots a few months ago, and I just kept not being able to justify going to buy it because I have so much shampoo. So I went sulfate free almost 2 years ago. I think a lot of people are put off by sulfate free shampoos because they don't lather up very well. Some of them don't make your hair feel clean. If you use a lot of product, they're quite hard to clean your hair, but they are getting better and better and better. So it brings me on to this brand called Maui, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I just think the packaging is beautiful and it stood out to me. It looked luxurious. I knew straight away it was going to be sort of a natural product, so I was drawn to it and I walked over to it and gave it a read. So the good thing about these as well as going sulfate free, I was still getting really dry ends and I just couldn't figure it out. My hair is sort of wavy, borderline curly, but I've brushed it out, so it's kind of like weird at the moment. But one thing I researched was that silicons can dry your hair out as well. So this range has no mineral oils, silicons, sulfates, synthetic dyes, alloys. It's vegan, it's pure coconut water and pure aloe juice. So normally the main ingredient in shampoo is water. This one is aloe vera juice, so it's really moisturising. And this particular one, I was going to go for coconut anyway. I love coconut, always have done. And this one's for dry hair and it's got coconut water in it and coconut milk. The first thing I noticed about this is how thick it is. It's a really thick consistency. That's the shampoo. And it almost looks like a conditioner. And the shampoo itself is like really moisturising. And it created a really good lather for a sulfate free shampoo. A really nice lather, so I could really get a good lather, get right into my scalp. I've used it about 4 times now. It smells coconutty but not overpowering, so it's not too fake. So I always shampoo twice because I only wash my hair twice a week anyway. If you do use more product, I reckon it get it out, to be fair, but I don't use a lot of product either, so I can't comment too much on that. It feels so good. You don't get that dry feeling when you're rinsing it out of your hair either. It already feels like it's been conditioned, so I really like it. The conditioner as well, you can sort of see how thick it is, that you have to give it a bit of a whack, and that is nice as well. But again, it's not too, because it's for dry hair, it's not really thick and heavy, so it rinses out really well. It doesn't weigh your hair down, so I really like that too. So normally in my hair I'll always use a leave-in conditioner, but for the last, since I've got these, I just want to give the range a go. And I've got the coconut milk weightless oil mist. It's great, but use it sparingly. And it doesn't actually say that, it just says spray evenly onto damp hair, then blow dry to infuse into the hair shafts. Finish off by misting all over for optimum shine. So this time when it was wet, I just sprayed it 3 times, and then I put another 2 or 3 sprays in last night, plus my jojoba oil, so it is a little bit oily today, but you won't be able to see if I spray on just how shiny it goes. It smells so good, it's so nice. So it's great, it's really good, and it's even better because you don't need a lot of it. And my point was, I don't need a leave-in conditioner with this. 3 spritz, I go 1, 2, 3, and then put it in. I probably wouldn't mist this over my hair if I was going for shine. I'd probably more spray it into my hands, and then I'd start underneath and pop it into my ends. So that's what I've been doing at night. You can see I've put too much in now, but that's what I do for a little bit of a shine to control it, because it is really shiny but not heavy. It's so light and it's so nice and moisturising that I really love this range. That is my sort of short but sweet review on the Maui Moisture. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.